Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast from 5th till 9th June 2023 for gold. And today I will be discussing gold US dollar. Last week it gave very fantastic moves. I will be giving you the previous levels as well, because in my strategy one analysis is like kind of like a chain, so the previous analysis is part of a chain. We cannot miss that, so I will be discussing that as well. Plus do let me know in the comment section down below. Most of you must have made good profits and I want to hear from you, honestly speaking, right? So this week, if you see on gold, we have seen a very fantastic sell move right here that I have obviously discussed in the live streams as well, but I didn't took any trade, honestly speaking. I'm out of the market from right here 1956, if you remember. I have told you this as well. So no doubt, like, the gold market is moving very nice, and it's like a good potential for investors to generate nice profits as well. Right now I'm on the daily time frame. All of you know that the weekly time frames I discuss, the like the weekly analysis I do on the daily time frame, followed by weekly. One friend I have asked me and have told me actually that he was telling me that the daily time frame is not for the retail traders. So my friend, I gave you the response yesterday as well. Today I want to tell you that, and because this is like, if one follower asked me this question, obviously there must be like this question must be going on in most of yours minds as well. So it's not like that. It's not like that. If you have a look at the daily, all of the trading decisions that you take on the lower time frames, H4, H1, and even for the intraday, those levels will be very nice, and your analysis will be good and you will be making nice profits. But practice is the key, my friends. You have to understand the market. First thing first, let's jump into the charts and let's see what after all this gold is showing us for the future. Obviously these stories I have covered them in my previous videos, but anyhow, let's have a look at this once again. A nice retest and nice bullish rally from right here. I'm not going into the much detail of the this, that hey, it gave this breakout, because I already discussed these things. So this area is important to me, area of 1616. This is first of all time lowest level since lowest level since 2020. So almost like a 3 years worth of lower point we have got. Secondly, if we see, market is clearly standing at a resistance, but obviously resistance do break. Like 3 months ago, what we have seen on the dollar yen, it was just going up, and there was no one to stop it. Not 3 months, sorry, in this previous November. If you see, in November we took nice buys on the dollar yen, and gold was back then trying to retest its lowest level. See, on in October 2022. So this impulsive wave obviously is with us, and on the basis of this, I have found a weekly and long-term support near 1791. Since this is very down and price is still up there, so maybe till October, and November, I'm looking gold coming back down till here. In this, during this period, since today is 4th May, 4th June, so today is 4th June obviously, and till November, almost like 4-5 months. During this period, if it give us a close above, then obviously the analysis will not be working. But clearly I am looking at it that 1790, it's going to retest in the long term, 6, 7, 8 months, right? Not today and tomorrow. Don't try to take sell trades from the Monday onwards, and this is no doubt a weekly forex forecast. So yes, sometimes I forget. Let's get back to the daily. I go too much long term. So right here, if you see, we have another smaller level, and it is not yet been justified. It is right here, 1910, 1911, somewhere this zone. It's been almost 1 month since right here I'm keep telling you, keep saying that market has to take a retest at 1911, and there is a good chance that it may close below that, but that will be a later story. For now, this is a very key level for me, very key level for me. And at this stage, on most of my accounts, I am out of the market, right, of gold. And obviously on some accounts, I'm keep holding the sell position, because my original plan, let me tell you, is from a sell from a 61 of this impulsive wave, right? Let's delete everything. The chart is a bit messy and I want to make it a bit clear. See, very simple thing right here, a very nice support, a very nice resistance. If we highlight it, this is too bright, let's make it a bit less bright, I should say, like this. Maybe change the color a little bit of it. Yes, we are good to go. See, with 2079.24 being the resistance, and this is the support, the possible support. But I'm not saying that, since look, this is very simple. Initially what I was saying is that I'm going to take a buy from 1911. Well, I may take it, but at this point in time the market seems like it may be even closing below that, right? So 1911, I have clearly told you, it is approaching it, and any sell if you are holding it. Unfortunately, I left the market right here, 1956, right here I left the market. And now for me this is sort of like a consolidation zone. So even if it come back down, this is 354 pips for me. So I think for 354 pips I may not be taking any sort of risk, unless, yes, if I want to take a sell right here and want to hold it till 1790 of this impulsive wave right here. If you see, see, from here till here, 61 will be right here, and this is actually a recent support as well. So for the long term, let's see, we have a very nice downward zone of around 100, around 1043 pips. So it will be so interesting to trade, but let's see if we can get that or not. Now last week just I have told you that market is going to drop, and it did, right? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Last time market was right here. Okay, we have got this breakout, and clearly I have told you that you can trade it, but personally I didn't took this trade, because I in the live stream I took some intraday trades right here, and they were not really well. Yes, they went negative, they hit the SLs, but still an SL was hit. So at the moment I have this, as expected, it was expected that the market will be giving us this sort of range, I should say, from right here. We have discussed it, and now on the weekly basis, this dollar gold dollar is showing me a drop till 1911. This is the bigger picture, right? And this is obviously for a sell, but at this price point I think we should not take any sells, and we should be mostly focusing on the buy side of gold for now in the upcoming week. So let's see what it's giving us, and how we will be taking that trade. Let's see. If I'm going to take a sell, definitely I have to wait for the correction towards 2017 and 2023. This is now a very nice range with me. If I go to H4, I can see that this rally is coming down all the way from here, and finally we have got a break of it. So the first thing first, obviously I will need for this to break in. By then most probably it will be trading near 1911, and from here upon confirmation, see, like till then this RSI will be completely oversold. So right here this will be 1,000 pips of opportunity, and any trader who want to make good profits should not miss this buy trade from right here. Take a buy from here. The trader should take a buy from here, keep a stop loss, and leave it till 2017. So in the process you can like get a chance to leave the market early at 728 pips and different target zones right here. So from there I will be focusing on sell trades, right? 2023.65 and 2017.59. now in correlation I will be looking at the dollar yen. With it, gold forecast is not yet over, but if we see this dollar yen, and if you remember, a buy was suggested from here, so 124 pips. If you have got it from the market, that's perfect. That was the weekly trade, and personally I'm holding a sell position, so let's see how that sell trade turns out to be. But the way gold is showing me one further drop, similarly dollar yen is also showing me one further up move. Now here is the big deal. On the yen, this weekly candle did not close very nicely, and if I see this 61.8 of the rally, and of the which rally, of this rally that ended on 16th October 2022. So 142 one level I had, and I'm still looking for it. So if you have holding a buy positions, 142.582 will be a very nice zone right here. And the sell trade I have right here, obviously I will be keeping it. My stop is way up there. I may be further adding more positions unless it finally stop me out or it move in my favor. But obviously from 142, a very strong sell opportunity I'm looking at the dollar yen. Those traders who want to make around 1500 pips very easily in a month, or how 1.5 month, 2 months, then this will be a very fantastic move, I should say. Now one thing I want to tell you, and that is, try to, like, even I have said that in my previous videos as well, and that is, if if you follow these charts very nicely, if you focus on the support levels, the resistance levels very nicely, if you try to read the charts properly, then I am sure, my friends, I'm super sure you will be getting some nice decent profits. But please, here is one request. Most of you are always stuck into the hourly charts and the M15 charts, and you are not aware of the overall story that is going on a particular currency pair. And then you say retailers don't trade the daily time frames. Well, I can show you on even on a $50 off account, you can trade long term. You can, like, long term traders can be retailers as well, remember, okay? And this is one thing I want to tell you. Plus the second thing is, try to whenever you are, here is a tip, like you can say, whenever you are trying to take a trade, let's say you are on M15, stop there for a while, go a little bit to the higher time frames and see. If you don't find anything there, open my forecast, watch it, that where Aftab has highlighted the key areas. If you do that, the trade that you are going to take on the M15, it will be clear to you. So if it falls in those levels, it will be obviously in profit for you. Another comment I got, it was a very lengthy comment, and obviously I'm not going to name that who sent me that comment, but he said he want to kill himself and he has lost a lot of money, and he thinks that the market is going he thinks that the market is going to drop from here, but still he took, let's say this is an example, or let's say he thinks that the market is going to reverse from here, but still he takes a sell trade and he gets stuck. And this is a problem of almost all of you. Please let me know in the comments if you have these problems, so I can try to help you get out of these situations, because this is almost like decreasing your monthly profits, periodic profits. So my friends, try to become forex traders. Okay, don't try to become losers. Most of the traders come here with big dreams and they end up very early. Why? Because when you come to the trading, you must have heard that, okay, this is support, this is resistance, there I have to take a buy, there I have to take a sell. But when you come to the real trading and you see that your emotions are in the way, those are the times when your emotions kicks in. That's the time when you should stop trading, you should focus on your learning, and you should understand these chart reading techniques, my friends. You should understand them. Why? Because after all, forex is all about understanding understanding the charts, right? I have uploaded a video in which I said I have discussed how to read the charts properly, and I read this whole chart for you. Like, chart reading is also a skill, maybe from right here, I guess. Yes, most probably from right here, or maybe the recent one, daily. No, it was on gold. So yeah, I have this, not this one, I have discussed this one, the previous one, this one, see. So I read this whole chart for you, and I'm sure if you watch the video you will understand more things from it. Similarly, I have a support and resistance video on my channel. No one watches it, no one dare to watch it. No. Why, my friends? Don't you want to become good traders? Don't you want to become profitable traders? If you want, you don't try to be spoon feeder. Okay, spoon feeders, don't try to be spoon feeders, my friends. So yes, if you have the same problems, please let me know in the comment section, so that I make videos on them to educate all of you, to work with you, so that those problems are eliminated, so that you make money on regular basis. So this week, I think gold gold gave the decision a nice top up there and a nice drop even till 1790. Now I'm looking at it. So let's see. For now, for this week, my analysis is down towards 1911. I have no active trade at the moment on this one. On dollar yen I have, on US 30 I have a hedge position. Which one was that? New Zealand US dollar, I have already told you that I missed, my trade wasn't filled. And what was the other one? I think these three trades I have. So tomorrow in the live session, or in the daily forex forecast video, I will be showing you them. Plus there is a lot of good content going to be uploaded on the channel. For that you have to give me your likes, your feedbacks, and all of that stuff. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.